Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Now you will say, what is wrong with this? Then there is no more planning in the state, because anybody can put any project in any place by just telling the government, make an application, my zone is incorrect and therefore please change it to the correct zone. What is the correct zone? It is usually settlement. 24 cases from April till June. Last notification has come somewhere 22nd of June. And we are showing that all the changes are from paddy fields to settlement, natural cover to settlement, orchard to settlement. Out of 100%, all these three zones have been converted on the ground that they are wrong zones. The 6 crore square meters of land is going to be converted between now and the next elections, for you know what the purpose is, between now and the next elections, so that nothing remains of the state of Goa after this exercise.
TCP Minister Mr. Vishwajit Rane has made a statement that he does not want to have a regional plan. That is totally wrong. It violates the rights of the people. Okay, you cannot say you will not have the regional plan. It is part of our act, it is part of the constitution, and all the MLAs have taken a vow and sworn on the constitution. And now how can you say that you're not going to follow the constitution?